Okay, so this is the stabilizer bar, and we will remove first the bushing here. As you can see, we have that bolt there, so let us remove that. Okay, then remove this one. This is the cover, and you can now have an access. We can remove this one later. Okay, so same with the other side. I'll just remove the other side, and after that we'll be removing this. Okay, so same with the other side. I just remove one screw, and then afterwards we'll be removing this. Okay, so I'm done removing the other bushing on the other side. So we'll be removing the front bushings. So there are two. So just this is connected to the end link. So this one, this metal. So we will see the bushing later. I'll be removing it also. And yeah, before that, let us remove this bushing. Okay, and there is one bolt on the other side here. Here. Okay. 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 So this is the metal cover. So that's the nut. And of course, yeah, this is the, let me just show you the bushing. Okay. So this is the bushing. As you can see, it's already very, very thin. Okay. Let me that. Let me remove the other side also. So same with what we did. We just remove the two nuts, bolts. Okay. The other side. Okay. So with this, we can just pull the stabilizer bar. Okay. So that's it. I'll just clean this bar, and then we will install the bushing later. Okay, so we will be removing this end link here. I already removed the other one, so this is the end link, so it's the same with this one. So there's just a screw on top, so you just remove this one. And if you try to see, my bushings are already worn out, so I think I'll be replacing this one and the other one as well. Okay, so to remove that one, you need a 14mm wrench, and this one is stubborn. That's why if you try to see, I did spray it with penetrating fluid. So this is 14 mm. Just put it on top. Okay, like that. Then of course remove it while you are changing the orientation of this one. Hold on to the uh, lower part here, lower part of the end link. Okay, and then just rotate it. Okay. 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 So that's it. I'll just put this one back so that you can follow the orientation later. Stabilizer link assembly here, and I have the bushings here, so I have two. So you can apply some grease, or no, I think this is a lithium based grease, and I think it's good for bushings. Do not use petroleum based grease because that will worn out your rubber, so I'll be using the lithium. So the strategy here is be sure to change your gloves before putting some grease. So I'll be having it like that. Then just put it inside. Okay. One more. And then use a ball pen to spread the grease inside. Okay. And then don't forget to wipe the excess, of course. We don't want that one to be picking up dirt and so on. Okay. And the link assembly is like this. You put the washer first, and then the bushing, you are going to put it like this. So the sleeve here will come in contact with the hole of your chassis later. And just put it there. Okay, again, wipe the excess grease. That will ruin your nut. Okay, and then same with this one. We will be putting grease again. Same strategy. Okay. Then use a ball pen to spread the grease inside. Okay. Okay, wipe the excess. And that's it. Oops. So the orientation of this one, you put this one first. So if you are going to install it, if this is the metal, you're going to put it like that, and then put the washer. So if this is the metal, you put the washer, and then the this one, we call this the bushing, like this, and then put the other washer again. So it's something like this. Okay, it's like that. And don't forget, of course, to put a nut. So let's install this one under the chassis.